Hey, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. It's a nice day today, isn't it?
Yes, the weather is really pleasant today.
So, how's the weather in your area?
It's sunny and a little warm, but not too hot.
That sounds perfect. Here, it's a bit cloudy.
Oh, really? Is it going to rain?
Maybe. The sky looks gray.
I like sunny weather because it makes me feel active.
Yes, sunny days are great. But sometimes, it gets too hot.
That's true. In summer, the heat can be tiring.
I prefer cool weather, like winter or rainy days.
Rainy days are relaxing, but too much rain can cause problems.
What's your favorite season?
I like winter because the weather is cool and comfortable.
Nice. I enjoy spring. Everything looks fresh and green.
Yes, spring is beautiful. Flowers bloom and the air feels fresh.
Does weather affect your mood?
Yes, a lot. Sunny weather makes me happy.
Same here. Rainy weather makes me feel sleepy.
And very hot weather makes me feel tired and lazy.
Do you exercise in this weather?
Yes, I go for a walk in the morning. When it's cool,
That's good. I prefer evening walks.
weather really affects our routine.
Do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, almost every day.
Why?
It helps me plan my day, especially if it's going to rain.
That's smart. I should start doing that too. Have you ever experienced extreme weather?
Yes, once there was a heavy storm.
That sounds scary.
Yes, strong winds, heavy rain, and power cuts.
I hope everyone was safe.
Yes, thankfully.
Let's practice some simple weather sentences.
Good idea.
It is sunny today.
It is raining outside.
The weather is very cold.
It is windy today.
The sky is clear.
It looks like it will rain.
Talking about weather is easy and useful in daily life.
Yes, it's a great way to start a conversation.
I learned many new sentences today.
Me too. Let's practice every day.
Sure. See you soon.
See you. Take care.